Dear students, very good morning. Now, today I would like to discuss with you in economics our next topic, income and other goals. Income and other goals. In previous class, you have discussed that different people have different notions of development. And when we start to discuss on development, especially in economic context, it directly referred about the meaning of economic activity which earns money. But in the context of income and other goals, we will be discussed that especially in Indian context, and one thing is also important that हम लोग थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? सारे बच्चे एक जैसे नहीं हैं। ये पढ़ने से पहले हम लोगों को यह भी जानना चाहिए कि पूरे दुनिया में इकोनॉमी जो है, पूरे दुनिया के जितने भी देश हैं सबकी अपनी अपनी इकोनॉमी, और वो इकोनॉमी तीन तरह की है। सबसे पहला, देयर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ economy existed in the world. First, open or market economy. Second, closed or commanded or guided economy. And third, mixed economy. Now let us to discuss separately about the three types of economy. First, when we discuss on open or market economy, these economy is running especially in those countries which have adopted the liberal democratic model of ruling system. Liberal means the citizen have right to discuss of everything on any platform. And one thing is also important, that when we think, when we study about the liberal democracy, it first starts with the advocacy, with the thinking, with the philosophy of John Locke. John Locke, you have studied already in your class 9 about the John Locke. John Locke had given the idea about the liberal democracy, that he told in every sphere, in every circumstances, people have three basic rights. First, right to life. No. Right to equality. Second, right to liberty. And third, right to property. It is clear that those countries which are adopted the liberal democratic form of their ruling system, they believe in right to property of every citizen. So, like in England, USA, and many of the European countries are following the open or market economy. The economic system, open or market economy. Now, it is important what are the features of this economy. In this economy, first or A, there are no any constraint over the people economic activity. Second or B, there is no need of permit or any prior permission before starting economic activity. And C, amount of tax is lower comparatively other economy. So these are the features of open or market economy. Okay. Second, closed economy. Closed economy is directly associated with the idea of socialistic pattern of democracy. or communist pattern of democracy. What are the basic ideas behind the socialistic pattern of democracy? Like the liberal democratic system. Behind the closed or commanded or guided economy, which is run by the communist or socialistic pattern of ruling system, it believes there are very discriminations among the people in present world, and in this discriminated world, a powerful being try to rule the other people by various measures of exploitation. So, in this economy, the government believes, according to their ideology, that only government, elected government, has power to minimize these discrimination among the people. So in this economy, everything is governed or controlled by the government. Now, an important thing is also features of this economy, like the open or market economy. A resources are controlled by the government or public institutions. B. Economic activity is running under supervision of government. C. In economic activity cannot be started without prior permission of government. So these are the features of closed, commanded or guided economy. And last type of economy is mixed economy. Mixed economy is actually the economy which is not based on any basic ideology of any economist, of any democratic philosophers or thinkers or anything. Basically, it follows the principles of both economy, open and closed economy, according to their suitability. According to their suitability. Like mixed economy is followed by India. Mixed economy is followed by India. In Indian context, when we think, especially by me, on my little study, one very popular book on economy is Arthashastra. You all have listened very well, very known name, very famous name, Arthashastra, is written by Chanakya or Kautilya. Actually, in this book, Chanakya tried to deliver their ideas about the political economy, like how could be a ruler collect more and more revenue, and by what means, by what measures a ruler can provide maximum economic freedom to their civic. So it is not a book which discussed very chronicle theoretical aspect of economy. Okay? Then in independent India, the more scientific work and more scientific ideas is delivered by the Dadabhai Naoroji in their famous book Poverty in Un-British Rule in India. This is also a very known, a very famous book among the Indian aware people. So then after one thing is also important here. After Dadabhai Naoroji, P.C. Mahalanobis, his full name was Prasanna Chandra Mahalanobis. He is known as the father of Indian planning. Actually, the economic system, the economic institute, the economic platform which is running in India in present is established or set up by the P.C. Mahalanobis. And one important contribution of P.C. Mahalanobis is establishment of IIS, IIS, Indian Institute of Statistics. This is a very renowned, very popular institute of statistic studies. So, our motto, our main focus is to deliver the idea on mixed economy, that India followed the basics outcomes of both economy, like open economy and closed economy, which are suitable for India. Like after independence, in Indian context, there are many industries running by private hand, like Tata families, Tata, Telco, Tisco. Second, I forgetting, Nadia Group, and like so on. And these industries are running in large sphere, in large phenomena. So government has granted to right the people about they can invest their capital in industry. But according to need of people, there was needed a very vast investment from the side of government. Like the establishment of DVC, Damodar Valley Corporation, it has needed too much investment, and such investment was not making the huge profit, so people were not interested. So government has invested a huge capital in DVC and provided electricity and other facilities to the another industries or households. So India is adopted the mixed economy. Now come on the topic. We have started the topic income and other goals. The goals, when we say the goals means the setup, the value, which are fixed by our thinkers, our philosophers, our economic ideologue, and so on. But one thing is important. In open or market economy, there is a very scarcity of economic values. They set up their values according to their need. So you can see very clearly that भारत में पश्चिमी सभ्यता आ गई है. Means they are wearing very different type of clothes. They are making different style of their shoes, different style of their belt, different style of their hair, and so many parts of body, and so many other things. Why? because the economy which are followed by European countries is open. So their people also not lie to any command or any other obligations on their daily life. So they live according to their choice. Their choices is not controlled by any norms, any philosophy or any other things. Okay? In closed and commanded economy, just despite of the open or market economy, it follow only and only values. You should be do like it. आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए, आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए, आपको ऐसा, and in open economy हमको ऐसा करना है, हमको ऐसा करना है. So in this economy, people followed so many values. Then come on the point in India, because India followed the mixed economy, so that in many spheres people live with very liberty, in liberal way, and in many times people also followed many values of their society, of their family, their economy. So that here we are assembled to discuss on the income and other goals. Income and other goals. Income and other goals. In other goals, we include some our values like respect, second, values of humanity, good environment, like etc. So in India, income is an important goal, but it cannot be run without the establishment of respect, values of humanity, good environment, etc. So I think you will be learned about the income and other goals. In next class, we will come on the next topic. Till goodbye. Thank you.